Hello. So basically, my experiment is number 6. We have to use wireless wireshark and explain any one of application layer protocol. So here we are going to explain about SMTP, which simply stands for Simple Mail Transfer Protocol. For that, we'll first start our wireshark, and since we are using our Wi-Fi connection, so we have to click on it and start our packet capturing. And other thing is that we need a telnet client to be enabled. So in Windows it is that by default it isn't enabled because it isn't insecure, but it is because actually sorry, because it is insecure. So for enabling it we will select this turn Windows switches on off. As we can see, our telnet client is enabled, so we can click cancel. Then we have to open command prompt, and in command prompt we have to just type in telnet gmail dot s sorry hyphen smtp hyphen in dot l dot google dot com and 25. So basically it's showing the connection is being made. In case if we get any issue such as the connection hasn't been established, so it means that our internet service provider is probably blocking the outbound 25. So basically this is to prevent the sort of mass mailing attack. So if this doesn't work, we'll be using our alternative port, which is 587. So we'll be waiting for this. So here we can see that the connection is failed. No problem. We will type in other telnet smtp dot gmail dot com 587. So after typing, as we can see that after typing uh, telnet smtp gmail.com 587, we got a connection to 220. So that means the server is connected and we have established a handshake. So now we got the connection to server. Now we can type in command hello to initiate and message and press hit enter. So it is showing 250 smtp gmail.com at your service. Now here we can do is we have to write we can write mail from. It's basically a command, and I'll be typing my mail ID. Actually I have typed wrong mail ID. So it is showing basically must issue and star ttls command. So we'll basically quit this operation by pressing quit, and then we'll hit enter. So our host connection is lost. Now we can stop our packet capturing, and we can analyze our protocol, SMTP protocol. So basically what we have done is we haven't typed any content to actually email. I just have type in send command, but that's all. We need an only an active connection with email server, and then we can stop our packet capturing. Here, so there are various protocols as we can see TCP, DNS, TCP, DNS, and several others. So for our simplicity, we will just type SMTP. This is a filter display, and we'll type SMTP, and here we go. So first message is 220 smtp.gmail.com, and we can observe its IP. So IP Internet Protocol version is 6. This is our source address and this is our destination address. Along with it, we can now observe our TCP, which is a transmission control protocol. So, so this is our source port which we typed in command prompt, which is 587, and this is our destination port. And there are various segments in it like sequence number, acknowledgement number, and flag. And we'll observe our simple mail transfer protocol. So it's basically showing, it will show two things. One is the response code, and second is response parameter. So response code is domain service ready, and response parameter is the mail ID which we type in. We'll observe other one, second, which is hello, and the message we type in. So we will just observe that. So as we can see that in simple mail transfer protocol, in command line we have hello and whatever message we typed in. So the command is hello, and request which we made is following. I just typed in some few letters to understand. So that's it. Now what we'll do is we'll click on this, right click, then we will click on follow, then TCP streams. So here it will, so this is the window which shows what I have received from server, and this is the entire conversation that I had. So if we write an email, it can easily interpret it as it is completely unencrypted and was captured by Wireshark. In our case, we haven't sent mail. Actually, we have tried to send, but somehow uh, we have failed to send, make a communication between it. So we have simply explained how it works, and we can close this one. Now, what we can do is we can analyze SMTP closing traffic. So for closing traffic, what we have to do, we have to clear this filter. Then we have to just enter. Then again we have to type in SMTP, hit an enter button. So here it is, the final line, which is 221. It basically shows closing connection. We can observe our IP Internet Protocol version. It is version 6. Source and destination address. Then our TCP protocol, transmission control protocol. This shows source port number, which is 587, destination port number. Then let's observe our simple mail transfer protocol. Here it is. Response is 221, closing connection. It's showing response code and response parameter. So that's it. Now we will analyze the SMTP quit traffic. For that we have to just clear this filter. Type in enter. So there are various protocols that we can analyze using this. So we'll keep it simple, and that's it. Thank you very much, and we'll be ending this